could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way.
Today, we're delving into an exciting development from Kia, the 2025 Kia PV5, a medium-sized, all-electric van that holds significant potential for motorhome enthusiasts. While Kia has not officially announced a dedicated motorhome model for 2025, the PV5's versatile design and features make it a promising candidate for camper conversions, appealing to those seeking sustainable and innovative travel solutions. The Kia PV5 is set to launch in 2025, marking Kia's ambitious entry into the electric commercial vehicle market. Designed to set a new benchmark for electric mobility, the PV5 will be available in various configurations, including standard and high-roof panel vans, as well as chassis cab versions. This flexibility allows for a wide range of applications, from business use to recreational conversions, making it an attractive option for those considering a motorhome build. In terms of design, the PV5 embodies Kia's modern aesthetic with a sleek and functional exterior. The availability of both standard and high-roof options provides ample interior space, crucial for motorhome conversions. The chassis cab variant offers a blank canvas for custom builds, allowing enthusiasts to design a living space tailored to their needs. The vehicle's dimensions and design focus on maximizing cargo and interior space, ensuring that it can accommodate the amenities required for comfortable off-grid living. Performance-wise, while specific horsepower figures have not been disclosed, the PV5 is expected to offer robust performance suitable for both urban and highway driving. As an all-electric vehicle, it will provide the benefits of zero emissions and lower operating costs. Kia has announced that the PV5 will come with 3 battery size options, catering to different range requirements. Notably, the vehicle will feature ultra-fast charging capabilities, allowing the battery to reach 80% charge in less than 30 minutes. This rapid charging is particularly advantageous for travelers, minimizing downtime during long journeys. The interior of the PV5 is designed with versatility in mind, featuring an integrated rail system that facilitates easy cargo adjustments, a feature that can be creatively utilized in motorhome conversions. While the standard configuration is aimed at commercial use, the spacious interior and customizable layout make it ideal for transforming into a comfortable living space. Potential features for a motorhome conversion could include a compact kitchenette, sleeping quarters, and storage solutions, all designed to make the most of the available space. In terms of technology, the PV5 is expected to be equipped with advanced connectivity features, ensuring that occupants remain connected during their travels. While specific details are pending, it's reasonable to anticipate the inclusion of Kia's latest infotainment systems, driver assistance technologies, and possibly even off-grid capabilities such as solar panel integration, given the growing trend towards sustainable travel solutions. As for pricing, reports suggest that the PV5 will start at around £34,000, with variations depending on the chosen configuration and battery size. This competitive pricing positions the PV5 as an accessible option for those looking to enter the motorhome market, especially considering the potential savings on fuel and maintenance associated with electric vehicles. The PV5 is slated for release in 2025, with Kia aiming to establish a strong presence in the electric van market. For motorhome enthusiasts, this timeline provides an opportunity to plan and design custom conversions, leveraging the PV5's features to create a personalized and sustainable travel experience. In summary, while Kia has not officially announced the motorhome for 2025, the upcoming PV5 electric van presents a compelling foundation for such a vehicle. Its versatile design, robust performance,